I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I turn off my alarm.
I turn off my alarm.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I pack my school bag.
I pack my school bag.
I put on my school uniform.
I put on my school uniform.
I say goodbye to my parents.
I say goodbye to my parents.
I go to school by bus.
I go to school by bus.
I reach school at 8 a.m.
I reach school at 8 a.m.
I attend the morning assembly.
I attend the morning assembly.
I go to my classroom.
I go to my classroom.
I listen to my teachers.
I listen to my teachers.
I write notes in my notebook.
I write notes in my notebook.
I ask questions in class.
I ask questions in class.
I help my classmates.
I help my classmates.
I have lunch in the cafeteria.
I have lunch in the cafeteria.
I return home.
I return home.
I take some rest.
I take some rest.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I feed my dog.
I feed my dog.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I study for my exams.
I study for my exams.
I help my parents.
I help my parents.
I watch TV for a while.
I watch TV for a while.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.